Well, I'm very happy to say that it's our 6th time in a row attending the CityFair, because I think it's very productive, best value for the investments we make, and we assure a great exposure to our product update to our main buyers throughout the world, not only Europe. And year by year, we see the benefits of being members of ETOA.
It's going extremely well because even year after year, you would think they have the same partners, but no, they have new partners every year, and every time you come, you do new collaboration within your company to their new partners, and it's just absolutely amazing.
I've been coming to these events, as you know, for a number of years, and I always say, is it worth going to another CityFair? Is it worth going to GEM again? But every time I get a surprise, I meet new people, I find out of new things happening in the market. So I would always say these events are definitely worth coming to, because you find, even old men like me, find out something new every time.
Here it's a good place to meet suppliers because in one day we can meet like 30 suppliers across Europe, and in main cities such as Paris. Paris is well represented today, London as well, and the Swiss. So for many European cities, they are all represented here.
We met lots of new people, lots of ideas. I think it's a very important annual event where we can really look and get more detailed destinations and itineraries and programs, and start brainstorming with people what there is to do. People have been to the standard places. We need to find constantly new destinations.